Hi, good evening. Hello, everyone. After October 7, 2023, terrorist attack against Israel, Israel Intelligence Services Mossad, Israel Police Organization Shin and IDF, Israel Defense Forces, have a successful operation, military operation, eliminated terrorist groups, terrorist organization, terrorist proxy forces. I am congratulated Israel Intelligence Services and the IDF and the Shin. Israel always stand with Azerbaijan. Difficult and a good time. I'm stand with the Israel, and I congratulate Israel successful military operation. Stand with Israel.